Okay, here I have this brand new monitor. We're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to use it and let's see how it goes. And I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. All right, so here we have the monitor. As you can see, we have the USB ports here. As you can see, we have HDMI, HDMI 2, and here there are not many features in the boxes. So this is the model, as you can see here, AW3225QF. So we have 32 inches, 4K, Dolby Vision, 240 Hz, 003 milliseconds. This DCI-P3, I don't know that yet. We have the HDR, so True Black 400 it says. So if you have an iPhone, usually you should be able to record in HDR. We have here HDMI 2.1, adaptive sync, and then we have the NVIDIA G-Sync, and on the other side, basically kind of the same. There is not much. Here it says how to open the box. That's it. Here we have the serial number, the model. I think that's it. So I think we can push from here. We are going to open it. So in order to open it, we have to put the box the way you see it right now. Cut here, and we can take it out of the box. Here we have the power cord. Here the instructions. Should be easy. Alienware, nice. Too much plastic. All right. This goes in the back of the monitor. Leave it on the side. What is this? Okay. Here we have a sticker. Nice. All right, so we're going to leave it here. Like Apple. Okay, something to clean monitor. Here we have the foot. I don't like touching the monitor, but because something to clean it, it's good. So this is easy. Comes with the screw. You screw it in, and that's it. So we're going to leave it here. Alright, so now we're going to put this here in this area. This needs to sit perfectly. We have display port, and we have the HDMI port cables. HDMI cables and DisplayPort cables. So we have the USB. Finally, here's the monitor. All right, nice. All right, the cushion seems to be good because I have another monitor. It came damaged. We're going to remove all the plastic. Very annoying. So here we have this that says peel. Okay, so as you can see, once we remove that, it will come completely loose. And as you can see, it's perfect. Yeah, looks great. So now we have to put the stand. We're going to put it like that. And now this side we go here. And there we go. So it has a button. This button that you see here, this is to release this, and then we can hook up everything here. So the power cord. Here we have the switch, the joystick, so the way we can control all the menus and everything. USB, USB-C. Here we have the button to turn it on and off. So hopefully you can see everything. Turn it on and off. Here we have all the ports. So here in this area we have all the ports, and that's it. So now we can do this like that. We are good to go now. There we go. Okay, so here we have the monitor. As you can see, we have I think these are, they have a backlight, I guess. I have to turn it on. Here we have more of the same thing. So here we have all the ports. Okay, so here is the back of the monitor. As you can see, we have 32. We have the Alien over there. We have the connector for the power. And here we have all the USB ports, HDMI, display port, and everything. So basically everything is in writing. So display port, HDMI, USBs. And here we have the USB-C, USB joystick. I don't like it too much. I prefer just the regular buttons to change the volume, brightness, and everything else. And here we have the power button. So now we're going to put it in place and we should be good. So here you can move it up and down. And here, I think maybe you can put the cables here. Yeah, you can run the cables through here. All right, as you can see, we have the lights, the back lights, very nice with the Alien over there. 32 here in the back. Now we're going to see it in the other side. All right, so as you can see, we just turn it on for the first time. We have the menu here. We have the joystick. So we have the preset modes and everything. So now push enter. And there you go. We have the monitor up and running now. So let's see if we can change. Okay, it says, so here we have a few options. Brightness, input source, preset, darkness, stability, alien vision, and now I can play with this, but you know, yes, simple.